Gene Kelly brought an imaginative sensibility and an unusual vibrancy to the movie musical and reinvented dancing on cinema. Gene Kelly's body of work remains timeless, easy, graceful, and memorable. Most people associate the name Gene Kelly with the male lead tap dancer in the ancient film musical Singin' in the Rain. But Kelly was much more than just a dancer in that film. He was a dancing engineer. He could bring dance to the screen. He could deal with tragedy in his life. Kelly was far from bashful. He was the personification of confidence from his debut in show business in 1938 until his final piece directing a cartoon in 1994. His choreography and performances were calm yet captivating, inventive but approachable, and in the end, magnificent. He charmed himself to audiences and left an indelible mark on the trade. Kelly's career remains one of the most surprising among the most beloved actors of Hollywood's golden period. Kelly's narrative has never been completely portrayed despite being solely responsible for pioneering a new approach to cinema musicals as a performer, choreographer, and director. His quest for perfection was unyielding since he was a creative genius motivated by single-mindedness, of fiery temper, and narcissism. His first great cinematic triumph occurred at the age of 30, and 10 years later, he had created his final successful picture. He was a lasting effect in the worlds of film and dance. His self-esteem may strike you as arrogant, pompous, and ugly, but one thing is certain: Gene Kelly had faith in himself. It's a lesson we can all apply today while starting a job, working on a unique project, or simply going about our regular lives. Kelly assumed that things would be simple for him. He would frequently tell people that because he had danced in his childhood, even taught at a dance school he co-owned with his mother, he could go into theaters, then Hollywood, and obtain a job very immediately. And he did it. Gene Kelly's grin brought delight to others. He suffered a 103-degree fever during the filming of his iconic Singing in the Rain clip. Despite everything, he continued smiling. It never appeared fake. Insincere smiles can be detected by cameras and individuals. He grinned from the inside out, which is how all trade fair employees should smile regardless of their personal circumstances. He never ceased improving his dancing skills. He started taking classes as a toddler and never stopped striving to perfect his movements. Trade show booth employees must often be as adaptable as Gene Kelly. When you first open your doors, you will face several hurdles. Remember Gene Kelly's perseverance, camaraderie, charisma, and professionalism as you face these problems. Click here to watch this video next.